विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. कचरो सॅग्रिगेट जावचो म्हूण सगळ्या पंचायतींक शो कॉज नोटीशी दिवच्यो असो उच्च न्यायालयान पंचायत संचालनालयाक आदेश दिल्लो आसा. सगळ्या पंचायतींनी सॅग्रिगेट कोयर एकठांय करचो अशें कोयर वेवस्थापन खात्याची ठाम भुमिका आसा. तशेंच बायगिणी प्रकल्पाचें काम चालू आसा. जो मेरेन कोर्ट सांगिना तो मेरेन आमी बायगिणी प्रकल्पाचें काम बंद करचें ना म्हण मंत्री लोबो उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
Course notices to 69 panchayat as far as of not treating garbage properly.
See, this is regarding High Court matter. High Court on directions dille ha Director of Panchayat to issue show cause notices to all the sarpanchs.
Deputy Sarpanch.
Now, Sarpanch and Deputy Parra Panchayat, where I am staying, is collecting segregated waste. Since we do not have one small shed where MRF facility, we take plastic bottles and keep over there, and from there we segregate and dispose. Oshi na म्हणून ही notice issue झाली. आता 27 panchayats are collecting waste and segregating and giving it to us, but they don't have a MRF facility, which we have to build anyhow in the land which panchayat has got, or the land which Komnidat gives them, or somebody like that gives them, or panchayat buys it or leases it. But it is Zai facility. सगळे पंचायतींनी इमिडिएटली फॅसिलिटी चालू करचें काम. आनी म्हाका दिसता बाय नेक्स्ट हियरिंग हायकोर्टान वी वील फायल कंप्लायन्स. गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा इज कमिटेड, माय डिपार्टमेंट वीच वी हॅव फॉर्म्ड, वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट मिनिस्ट्री इज कमिटेड टू सी दॅट पंचायत कलेक्ट सेग्रिगेटेड वेस्ट फ्रॉम ऑल द पंचायत्स इन गोवा, and we complete our 4 projects, 4 big GWMC plants, solid waste management plants by GWMC within a record period of 2 years what we have committed. Baiguinim is on the track. Whoever is opposing Baiguinim, we will not stop till the court tells us to stop. Court is monitoring Baiguinim on every 15 days, every 20 days basis. We will not stop Baiguinim. Expression of interest is to be floated. Day after tomorrow is the meeting, and we will take the decision of expression of interest on that day, and the expression of interest will be out.